Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use a credit card without a physical card, right? So before this you do visit the credit card issuer. There's a lot of almost all the banks provide you virtual credit card, right? So the first thing, you can use a virtual card. So as you can see here, I've just taken this example, Standard Chartered, and this banks provide you a virtual credit card, right? So if you just go, and if you have an account, then you will able to use this, which is virtual credit card detail. And if you want to apply, you can just go and apply. By the way, if you have a bank, just check that bank provide you a virtual credit card. Now a virtual credit card is basically the same thing. In virtual card, you don't have to carry the physical card. It will be in your phone, and you can use the card number or to do the exactly the same transaction which you do with your physical card. Now, the second thing which you can do is add your card to a digital wallet. So, for example, if you have Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay, then you will able to use for the digital wallet. And once you add there, for example, Apple Pay is very much useful in this case, because you can add so many credit card and it will be automatically converted into a virtual credit card, and then you can use it for any purchases, right? And the third thing is making online purchase. So as you know, for the online purchase, you don't have to put your physical credit card anywhere. You can use the same credit. You have to just enter the number, CNN number, and the expiration date, right? And the fifth one is basically the fourth one, use contactless payment in stores, right? So if that is possible, because most of the card have this feature in the latest versions of the card that they have contactless payment, so you can do that. So if you found this information really useful, subscribe.